In the last video, I've discussed about how I have made my very first Python project as a complete 16-year-old beginner in Python. I've also discussed about what compiler, what software I've used, the total steps to start as a beginner, which you can even follow and you can proceed with me, and the calculator which I have made. I found out 3 mistakes in that. And in this video, I'm talking about what were the 3 mistakes, how I've sorted it out, and what was actually it. So let's begin the video. So the first error which I got was that if you type any alphabet like ABC instead of the number, the program crashes. So for fixing this, I have learned about the concept which is try and except. And the last, except print, please enter valid numbers only. So if you write this, then if the user prints something else instead of number, it will show please enter valid input. You can see on the screen. It shows please enter valid numbers only. The second error was that after doing one calculation, it closes immediately. And for fixing this, I have added again equal to input calculate again, yes or no. If again equal to no, print goodbye, break. So after doing one calculation, it asks the user whether to calculate again or not. If the user types something else instead of no, it will start again. Like this, you can see on the screen. 6 divided by 7. It asks the user yes or no. If I type no, it will say goodbye. If you just type even y, it starts the next calculation. Third problem. If we divide any number by 0, the program gets crashed. And for fixing this, I've added, after division, I've added if num2 equal to 0, print cannot divide by 0. Else print num1 divided by num2. So normally it prints num1 by num2, but whenever we type 0, the program crashes. So for fixing it, I've added print cannot divide by 0. So this fixes the program immediately. You can see on the screen. I've typed 5 divided by 0. It prints cannot divide by 0. That's it. That's the program for today. See you next time in the next video with a new project or with a new upgradation. Bye bye.